Hi there. I'm here to tell you about my InvisaBlend hairpiece and my entire InvisaBlend experience, actually. This is my second InvisaBlend hairpiece. It's 15 inches long, custom color, and 100% density, I believe. I'd like to say that this looks just like my hair used to look, and Dino and his staff are so great about listening to exactly what you want. I mean, he just nailed this. Thank you, Dino. I wear this hairpiece up to 2 weeks at a time. I like to, a lot of times I pull it back. I've got it down so you can see how it kind of flows. I braid it, pull it back, put it in a pony, put it in a bun, whatever I'd like. I shower with it on, just wash it with a good quality shampoo. And this is the natural curl. And what else can I say about this? Other than I love it. It's cool, it's light. You virtually forget you have a hairpiece on. Now, I have alopecia, so I've worn wigs for years. And this is freedom! Freedom from wigs. I mean, oh my gosh. No more sweaty head and a band around your head. This is just like your natural hair. I'm going to switch hands here so I can show you a little bit. The hairline, my own hair is a little bit darker, so you can see that I really don't have much hair. But this gives me dream hair. And I'm really pleased with it, and I know you will be too. If you have any questions, would like to ask me anything, you can reach me through InvisaBlend. I give them permission to give you my email address or my phone number if you'd like to talk to me. My name is Holly, and I'm just overjoyed with this hair. Thank you so much.